Welcome to session 53 of Computer Concept of Commerce. The topic of this session is income tax. In the previous session, students have understood how to evaluate the simple and compound interest at various rates, time, and amounts. The main objective of this session is the students can calculate the income tax relating to their parents, friends, and their neighbors. After studying this session, you should be able to understand and calculate the income tax relating to um, parents, friends, and other neighbors. Calculation of income tax will be in this way. In this particular table, it will be done. First column is serial number, next column is name of a person, third column is annual income, then income tax, net income. All these details will be recorded in this particular table. Again, the procedure or steps to calculate income tax in this way. First, click on the start button of the computer. Click the start button. First, start the computer. Next, click on the start button. Third step is selecting the program option. Next step is clicking on MS Office and then MS Excel. Next is click the new option from the file menu. Sixth step is type the information in worksheet, that is spreadsheet, that is serial number of a person, name, annual income, income tax, net income. This is the syntax we need to write to calculate tax of an employee or any person for that matter. Next step is calculation of net income. The amount in C2 will be from C2 amount, D2 amount will be deducted, and similarly from C3, D3 amount will be deducted. In this way, if you go on minusing the amount, you will get the net income. The same details can be copied. Copy the formula to the rest of the taxpayers by dragging the mouse button. In this way, we can calculate tax liability of any person. Thank you.